Hey YouTube, look what I have. You ready for this? Oh, it's so light. Yeah. Shall we open it and see what's inside? I think we should. Trusty knife. Here we go. I got this yesterday in the mail while I was at work. Put these in the garbage here real quick. With that. All right, here we go. Sweet. All right. I'm going to spin this box a little bit so that. Hi. Now we can kind of see what we're doing here. Thanks for setting this out. So, styrofoam. Here's our fairly, that's sweet. Check that out. That looks awesome. Super smooth, well machined. You know, warning sticker for people who don't, you know, use their brains. I have a bumper on its way that I'll mount this to. We'll do a video on that too. Got ourselves negative cable. This is like super well packaged. Got our hook, mounting hardware, the nuts, and all of that. 10.9, so really high tensile strength nuts and bolts. Obviously, you need it. Power cable. And so this was the coolest part. This is the main reason I chose this. I don't have to have this wired. Let me see, make sure I get this. Okay. Wireless. Heck yeah. It'd be so nice to be able to sit in the Jeep, power it on. I'm guessing take out these 3 screws on the side. I'm sure it tells us everything in the instructions. You know, some batteries. Makes it wired. I can be in the Jeep away from any sort of breakage or any just a bit. Don't have to worry about it. You know, I did synthetic on this one just because I know steel cable will store energy. But at least this way I can be in the Jeep and be away from, if by chance it snaps, I'll be away from the action. That's another piece of foam for insulation. Protect during shipment. Another one on that side. I'm trying to get these out of the way. That goes back there. All right. Ourselves instructions. This one is a 12,000 pound winch. Little recovery operator's guide. Full color. I have some stuff in here too. That's cool. So shows you a bunch of different options. So that if you're new to this, like I am, never had a winch, I figured I might as well go big or go home. Actually, I take that back. I had a winch on my Polaris Sportsman, and I loved having that thing. Got me out of a couple sticky situations. Or, you know, just a friend that got stuck on their quad too. Got me unstuck a few times. And then, you know, all of this, you know, your installation instructions, blah, 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 how to hook everything up. Very cool. All color. That's a bonus. I like when they do color photos. You know, it's kind of nice. Makes it easier to differentiate certain things. I mean, obviously, this won't be that hard to install. It's pretty straightforward. Positive, negative, bolts, torque everything down. All right, here we go. Here comes the creme de la creme. If I can get this out of here without, I'm going to set it on the ground. Get this box out of our way. All right, here we go. Up and out. Oh man, she's a beaut, Clark. Let's get this thing out of this bag. Oh yeah. That's sweet. Oh, this is super dope. Man, they packaged that well. Here you go. That's a fine piece of work. One thing that's really cool is, so right here, come in here, there's an Allen right here. You can take that Allen out, it removes this. You can take that out and then no one can disengage your clutch, spool you out, mess with it. It's kind of nice. Thanks Quadratec for designing that. Nice weatherproof plug-in over here for if you want to do your wired application. Slide that back. This is what gives that nice IP67 rating. Power switch on this side to turn the winch on. Push that, fires up. When I get this installed and we have power to it, there's a, I don't know if you can see it underneath it. Oh yeah, right there. This right here, amber LED light bar inside. I guess it's a light bar. We'll call it a light bar for now. It's got an LED strip in it. It illuminates this spool. So in the dark, you can at least see what you're doing, keeping your line nice and clean. This is nice. All of your wire connections hidden back here, really clean, tucked away. This is by far one of the cleanest winches I've seen on the market. Some heat dispensation on top. It's nice they milled all the powder coat off and gave you this really nice look to it. Quadratec logo, Q on each end. God, this thing's good looking. So good looking. So yeah, once I get my bumper, it should show up today. Hopefully. And then I can start installing this on Friday. I want to be Moab ready. So obviously this is my positive cable to run up underneath into the battery and blah, blah, blah. So anyway, I'm super stoked on this. And hopefully I get it installed this weekend. We'll go give it a test. It'll just pull myself to my truck or something. So anyway, till then, have a good one.